Hey YouTube, it's Jack here from BritePro Cleaning. Today I'm going to be cleaning 2 rooms and a hallway of carpet for a real estate client of mine. The carpets in this case were neglected by the previous tenant, and they also had a dog which used the carpets as their washroom. So they had lots of urine stains that had to be treated and thoroughly cleaned out. So the first step in a case like this is to do a thorough pre-vacuuming of the carpets. And what this does is helps get rid of any loose debris and dirt before we continue with the steam cleaning process. So the next step when you're dealing with these organic stains in the carpet is to individually treat them with a oxy-based stain remover. So this is a hydrogen peroxide-based product I'm using, and that helps break down the stains. And afterwards, I put down the full pre-treatment over all the carpets, and this breaks down the general soils. Next, I use a counter-rotating brush machine. This scrubs in the pre-treatment and helps start removing those stains. As you can see, the carpet's already looking better than what it was even before we go ahead with the extraction step. The other nice thing about using the counter-rotating brush in pet stain and pet carpet issues is that it helps remove a lot of the embedded fur that even the vacuum won't get. So a lot of times I'll be seeing clumps of fur being pulled out while I use this machine, and that's just because the brushes get so deep into the pile of the carpet. And for anyone who's wondering, the brushes do get cleaned and sanitized in between jobs, just so we're not transferring that dirt to the next client. And now for the final step in the cleaning is the extraction process. So using a hot water extraction machine, I'm doing several wet passes to flush out all the dirt and urine of the carpet. And then afterwards I'll make a dry pass to try and remove as much moisture and dirt out of the carpet as I can. So this is really the final step in cleaning, and it's the process that gets out most of the dirt that you're going to see. One thing to keep in mind when cleaning heavily abused carpets is that a lot of the time you're not going to be able to get 100% transformation. In this case, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out, but you could still see some bleached out areas. And the reason for that is because when the urine's left in the carpet, it converts into an ammonia base, and that's going to stain the carpets permanently, kind of like if you spilt bleach on the carpet. Nonetheless, we still got quite a good result here, and the client was quite happy with how it turned out. Okay, and just to wrap up the video, I had to include the money shot just so you could see exactly what was pulled out of these carpets. With that said, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.